When creating content in a Word or RTF document, you can tag your questions with question information, such as difficulty level or topic. In the system, question information can be used to filter and sort questions, as well as generate reports. In this video, we'll look at some of the common question information tags and how to use them. Question information tags are an abbreviation followed by a colon. The actual question information comes after the colon. The answer or ANS tag is the only required question information tag. It must appear immediately after the question text and answer choices. For questions with answer choices, the answer could be a single letter, letters separated by commas, or a word, depending on the type of question. In this case, the answer is B. By default, all questions are worth 1 point. If you want a different point value, use the points tag, which is PTS:. In this example, the question will be worth 2 points because the point value is specified by the points tag. Without this tag, a question will be worth 1 point. Remember that the answer tag must be the first tag after the question. Other question information tags, including the points tag, can be placed in any order you like, as long as they come after the answer tag. One of the most common pieces of question information is the difficulty level. Use the DIF tag for this information. You can enter any difficulty level you like. In this case, the difficulty level is easy. Generally, you enter 1 difficulty level, but this tag and all the other tags discussed in this section allow for multiple entries. You can use the reference REF tag to indicate the source material for the question. Some common references include the chapter name, chapter number, section name, section number, or a chart or table name. Note, since page numbers can change depending on an edition or different media offerings, avoid using them as a reference. Use headings or other identifiers instead. If you want to add multiple references, separate them with pipe symbols. In this example, the question has references to Chapter 1 and Section 1. Use the topic TOP tag to enter the topics related to the question. As with the difficulty and reference tags, you can separate multiple entries with a pipe symbol. Use the keyword KEY tag to enter words that an instructor might use to search for the question. You can include topic and reference information here, but you can also use words from the question itself. If you want to add multiple keywords, you can separate them with a pipe symbol. The final basic tag that accepts multiple entries is the notes tag or NOT. You can use this tag any way you like to enter individual notes about a question. In this example, the notes indicate that this is a 4-answer multiple choice question that was revised for the 3rd edition of the content. This information can be helpful to search for questions. If you're a publisher user, keep in mind that instructors can see all the question information that you enter. Be sure that the information you enter is acceptable for an instructor to see. The other, OTR tag, is a little different from the tags we've been looking at so far. Instead of individual entries, the other tag allows you to enter free-form text about a question. In this example, the text recommends some prerequisite content. Again, if you're a publisher user, be sure that you only enter information that you want instructors to see. And now you know how to use the basic question information tags. See the other videos for information on standards tags and special tags.